Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this video I'll be showing you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency with Flitter. Alright, just in case you are wondering, Flitter is a platform that lets anyone buy, sell and swap cryptocurrencies. Alright, with Flitter you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy BNB, Litecoin and a bunch of other coins. All right, Dashcoin, Binance USD, Shiba, and as time goes on they will probably add more coins you could buy and sell. All right, now with Flitter you don't need to go through anybody like to buy your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Right now Flitter eliminates the need looking for people to sell Bitcoin to you or other cryptocurrencies to you. All right, it also eliminates the risk of you getting scammed. All right, it also eliminates your chances of paying higher fees with those popular exchange websites we have like Luno and Passful. All right, those websites, their transaction fees is outrageous. So but with Flitter you can buy and sell cryptocurrency for minimum fees. All right, so the first thing to do, you need to use a link. You need to use a special link, and this is my special link. All right, this link. So use this link to sign up for Flitter so that I can get some commissions. All right, if that's the way you can show me appreciation, thank you. Then you as well, if you use this link, you will be saving yourself some fees in commissions. Right, some fees, like you'll be saving yourself some fees if you use this link. Okay, so let's go. So now copy this link. I will add the link below in the description of this video. Just copy it or go to okeviking.com/Flitter. Open your browser. Okay, I'll use Samsung internet for this one. So open your browser and paste that URL. All right, okeviking.com/Flitter. Okay, and open. So once you open, okay, so this is my link. So once you open, all you need to do, enter your name, your first name, your last name. Please enter your correct details. Please don't try to play smart here, because if you play smart here you might not be able to do any transactions and you might not be able to verify your account, and you won't enjoy higher limits when it comes to transactions. So enter your first name, last name, correct email address and your password. Now just a tip for you: when using a password, always use a strong password. For instance, use a password that has characters, uppercase, then numbers. All right, this is a very strong password. Nobody can hack this password except they know your password. So you create an account. Once you create an account, you will be taken to a dashboard that looks like this. All right, this is my, as you can see, this is my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard. So as you can see, I currently have about 2,445 naira in this account. So you can buy. Now to fund your account, all you need to do is just click on deposit. You can fund from 1,000 naira. Okay, so for instance, let's say we want to fund, so let's fund 1k now. So click on continue. Then as you can see, these are merchants who are currently online. They are verified merchants you can pay to get credited. Okay, so let's use the first one, pay this merchant. So now the merchant account number has appeared. Okay, as you can see, you have 29 minutes to pay this merchant. Okay, so now what you need to do, copy this account number, copy and send the amount that you want to buy, which is 1,000 naira, to the account number. Now take note, do not enter any crypto related terms in your reference, things like Bitcoin, Flitter, BTC, coin deposit, etc. in your payment reference. Do not enter this, because Nigeria, our government, they are acting crazy and they are trying to suppress cryptocurrency transactions. So what you need to do in your reference, just copy and paste this transaction ID, this one here, this one, just put that in the reference. All right, so once you put that in the reference, the receiver will know that it is your account and you will get credited as soon as possible. So once you have paid, click on I have done the transfer. Once you do that, in a few minutes, you will be credited. Okay, so now, for instance, you now have money in your account. As you can see, I have 1,170 in my account now. That is in my Naira wallet now. Okay, so what you can do is to let's say you want to buy, let's say can buy Bitcoin. Let's use Naira. So now I have 1,000 Naira in my account. So let's buy 1,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so as you can see, that's $1.98. So if I click on buy Bitcoin now, I can select my balance. All right, so as you can see, it said I will pay 1,020 Naira. That means they are charging just 2% for transactions. All right, so let's go back. So let's assume I want to swap my Naira to other currency. So let's go to exchange. So you can see I can buy crypto with local currency, I can sell crypto for local currency, I can swap between cryptos, e.g. BTC to Ethereum, BTC to other currencies. Okay, so let's say 0.0005. okay, I currently have 62 Satoshi, so let me just enter 50 Satoshi. So now I'll select the token. Let me buy Bitcoin. Okay, so okay, no, I want to swap from BTC. Okay, so that's it. You can swap from Bitcoin to other currencies. All right, so now what I'll do, let me buy Bitcoin with my Naira. Okay, so I have 1,170 Naira, so let me buy Bitcoin. Or should I buy Bitcoin? Let me buy Shiba. I think Shiba would do well. Should I buy Shiba? Okay, let me buy Shiba. So I'll buy let me see, I'll buy 1,000 Naira worth of Shiba. Let me see, how many to give to me. So add the fee. So let's buy 1,000 Naira worth of Shiba. So as you can see, I would have 205,000 Shiba. So I'm buying with my balance. Okay, so confirm. So I've just bought Shiba now. All right, done, and I have 206,000 Shiba. All right, so now let's say, for instance, let me see what I can do. Let me see if I can swap Shiba to other currency. Let me see if I can swap. Okay, as you can see, I have Shiba, so I can swap Shiba back to other currency. All right, so that's just how it works. Okay, can swap to Naira. If I swap 206,000 Shiba to Naira, as you can see, so that's how it works. So let's say, for instance, Shiba increases in price. That means I've made profit. So that's for crypto trading. All right, so I believe that will be in another video. So you go ahead and sign up for Flitter using this link. All right, ensure you use this link so that I get credited for showing you this video, and you also save in transaction fees. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educating videos like this. One love, stay blessed, wishing you all the best. Peace out.